How to build wealth over 25 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $114,392. $200 monthly contribution grows to $220,160. $300 monthly contribution equates to $325,929. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $431,697. $500 monthly contribution becomes $537,466. $600 monthly contribution grows to $643,234. $700 monthly contribution turns to $749,003. $800 monthly contribution becomes $854,771. $900 monthly contribution grows to $960,540. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $1,066,308. Over a 25-year time period, a contribution of $938 a month will generate $1 million.